In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Perplexity, a fascinating platform that could dramatically enhance the way you find information online. Whether you're a newcomer or someone who's acquainted with the website, this guide will offer straightforward instructions on how to utilize Perplexity efficiently. So let's dive in. First, head over to the Perplexity website, which you can do by typing Perplexity AI in your web browser's address bar and hitting enter. This is the home page of Perplexity, where all the magic truly begins. If you want to make the most out of this experience, it's advisable to log in. Look for the login option, usually at the top right corner of the page, and go ahead and click that. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. However, assuming you're all set, simply enter your credentials to log in. Now, once you're at the login screen, you may have several login options. Choose the account you prefer to use. Most websites today offer multiple ways to sign in, like using your Google account, which is notably convenient if you want quick access without the extra steps of creating a new set of login details. After choosing your account, you will have officially signed into Perplexity, giving you full access to its robust features. As soon as you're logged in, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed on the home page. This is your gateway to exploring an extensive range of subjects. Feel free to type in any query or topic of interest. The platform is designed to process a vast array of topics, so be as specific as you need. The advanced technology behind Perplexity is built to provide concise, accurate information even for complex or niche queries, making it an invaluable tool for students, professionals, or anyone keen on learning something new. After entering your search term, you'll see options for highlighting results. Clicking on these highlight features will make it easier for you to pinpoint information pertinent to your query right on the page. While exploring the results, you'll find that these highlights help you quickly navigate through the content without missing essential details. By now, you're well on your way to mastering how to search on Perplexity. Each of these steps, simple as they are, opens up a world of knowledge on this innovative platform. Remember, whether you're doing detailed research or just browsing for leisure, understanding how to effectively search and utilize these tools can save time and ensure you get the best possible results. Thanks for watching, and happy searching on Perplexity.